Hi Scorpio, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and here's a quick love bite for you for the weekend of the 24th to the 26th of July. So Scorpio, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the message that they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's go. Scorpio, this is going to be a small reading, 3 cards each, 3 for you, 3 for your person, and 3 cards of advice. Oops, 3 of Pentacles in reverse. What is this? Let's just put it here and see whether it's going to kind of be of any significance to our reading. So Scorpio, your August readings are almost ready. It will be set, uploaded soon. So those will be a little more in depth, okay? These are going to be quick ones. And if you're new here, do subscribe, join us, and join us for the August readings as well. We welcome you here. Bottom of the deck, Judgment. Looking for a restart, looking for something, feeling karma's finally caught on, what's happening? Let's see. Knight of Swords. 4 of Swords, Hanged Man. Okay, person 2. 7 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and 5 of Cups in reverse. So Scorpio, as I see here, there is person 1, person A here. You decide which one you are, right? Person A or person B. So person A here wanted to take some swift action here, but maybe there were some cutting words, or the way they spoke, or something happened here which was not really nice. I mean, they really didn't know how to work together with this other person, and there was a lack of a new beginning here. Isn't it surprising? I have this Ace of Pentacles which popped out for them, and I have it for person B as well. Right? So something is not working. Something is not working. And that's why this card showed up earlier on, before we even started shuffling. No working together. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. I'm sorry, Scorpio, if that's what you're going through, but let's see what our advice is here. So now person A is, even though they wanted to move ahead and maybe take a message to person 2, let's start again or whatever, they were not reciprocated, I think. So Ace of Pentacles in reverse and Ace of Wands in reverse as well. So this person A is now in deep contemplation. Oh my God, what happened? My message was not received with a forward, exciting yes, and everything has come to a standstill, and there is now the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands in reverse. They are feeling, person A is feeling very, very stuck at the moment. They thought things could, really move, escalate quickly with person 2, but I don't think they've been received that well. They are right now in Hanged Man's place, where they're trying to get enlightened. They're trying to maybe strategize or think or pray or get enlightened. They are wondering how they can bring some balance back into this relationship, and maybe how they can move this relationship forward, or how they can have any forward movement with person B. So right now I think person A is in deep thought as to how they can kind of move this forward, which they wanted, which was, I don't think, reciprocated well in the past. Because earlier I think they went across very brash and harsh. They did take the message earlier also, I think, but it wasn't received very well. And they couldn't get the correct answer that, the one they wanted. Now, person 2 is in total defensive mode. They're guarding their energy. They are warding off any thing that they don't want in their life. And the 7 of Wands here for them. Let's see the 7 of Wands, Spirit. What is the 7 of Wands for this person? Yeah, because maybe earlier they got cheated upon. Or there was some mischief which happened earlier from person A's side, and now person B has totally, cut them out, and they have this big wand in their hands and saying, like, I've dealt with you once and you cheated me, and I'm no longer ready to face this kind of behavior again. And this person also has the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, which represent that they are not looking for a fresh start with person A. Yeah, they don't think this they don't think much of this person. They feel this person is not stable, either mentally or emotionally or even financially or whatever, and there is no point of having a new beginning with the person who has been sneaky maybe in the past with them, and like upset them. They are totally guarding their energy, and whatever sadness they felt because of this in the past, they are kind of, they've turned their back now on this. They've turned their back on this. They are releasing all this worry and tension and depression which maybe happened to them. They are behaving all right with person A, not their best. It's like the Sun card is still the Sun card, whether it's reversed or upright. Upright, it's total happiness, but in reverse they are kind of guarding themselves. They're not totally opening up with person A. Yeah, the person B feels that there's been some mischief in the past, and whatever has happened in the past, they want to release it, all this conflict and tension and sneakiness or whatever happened in the past. I think person 2 has given up. Even though person A is still dreaming of and strategizing of what plan they can make to make this come around and be balanced and move forward again. Let's see your advice. Ace of Pentacles, Hierophant in reverse, and the Ace of Cups. So I don't think Scorpio, there's going to be a commitment here again, yet Spirit I think is advising that work towards keeping the love alive. Maybe not, I keep saying this in all the Scorpio readings, I think. I don't, I have the Judgment again, 2 Judgment cards. Spirit says the only way to bring life back into this relationship and to bring this love back into this relationship is that you both, I think, or at least Scorpio, this is for you, you have to work towards this now, right? This may not turn out to be that kind of commitment that you were hoping for, but you can still have a very, very good, stable relationship with this person. Let's take a card anyways for the Hierophant in reverse. Yeah, but this commitment can't happen because one person in this dynamic is not the most stable emotionally. They are a bit manipulative, and this leads the other person to feel a lot of stress. So one person doesn't want to be in this relationship at all, and the other person still wants to keep connection with them. So Spirit says maybe this could be you may have something in common like children or whatever. So Spirit is saying that work towards finding a new way of bringing this love back to your dynamic. And think about it, rest it out. Let's take an angel blessing card as well. This queen has her sword up now, Scorpio. Scorpio, if this is you, you no longer want to go back to this relationship as the same way that it was in the past. And masculine, if this is you, then whatever you've done, this queen has now put her barriers up, and the only way you can have a working relationship with her in any way, okay, as a friendship or anything, is to work towards it. You'll have to put the work in. She's not going to give it to you on a platter anymore. Let's take one advice card from the angels as well. Yeah, this could be pertaining a marriage. See, I said that. This could have been a marriage which has now is not working. And I don't think there's any potential either, Scorpio, because one person is no longer interested. But yes, because sometimes in marriages you have relatives in common, children in common. So the Spirit says, please bring some love and respect back to this equation, instead of just looking for it from the marriage point of view, and work towards finding a good working relationship where you can still be respectful and kind to each other. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio, till your August readings now. Love and light. Take care.